Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Another quick Q&A. A sister's asking if it is immature and too much to ask her fiance to be in a separate house after they get married. Separate as in separated from his mother, not living with her in-law. Nope, it's not. Not at all. But you gotta be considering a few things in this matter. So you have to consider a few things. First of all, approach this matter very gently. Then please consider the age of the mother-in-law. Consider their relationship with each other. Consider the culture, expectations. All of that needs to be looked at. Sometimes the mothers have not ever lived alone. So to leave a person like this completely alone is dangerous for their well-being. But Islamically, it is not something that is looked down upon. It is okay to ask or expect to have your own space, definitely. So if your husband can't afford and you guys can live somewhere really, really close to her, maybe next door, maybe in the same neighborhood, I think that would be a good way of moving out of her house. And also being somewhere really close in case she needs him. And for him to be able to check up on her every day. But if you still decide to move in with her, make sure there are clear boundaries that are set between you, your husband, and your mother-in-law. Be gentle but firm in reinforcing those boundaries. Everyone deserves a private space for themselves. So don't keep those boundaries unclear and as we go, no. Make sure that things are talked about before you actually move in and that it is a clear understanding between you two that those boundaries are not going to be compromised. But be open to be flexible also. So, depending on different times and situations, you may have to be flexible, especially if the mother-in-law is of an older age. And you, for sure, definitely don't want to be the reason to be causing a distance between a mother and a son. So be supportive of them, but do make it clear that you will need your own private space. You will need to establish and enforce some boundaries. Inshallah, hopefully healthy boundaries. All right? Take care. I hope things go well with you. Assalamu alaikum. Follow for more and win your battles.